Does the SUD Life Guaranteed Money Back Plan truly offer financial relief at regular intervals, or are the payouts too small to make a real difference? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is a non-linked, non-participating money-back life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: this is a limited premium payment with extended life cover, and 200% of the annualized premium received as a lump sum every 5 years, and there are guaranteed additions to enhance the overall corpus, and there is a full sum assured payable on death regardless of survival benefits already received, and there are tax benefits on both premiums paid and payouts received, and there are benefits like survival benefit, maturity benefit, and death benefit, and guaranteed additions available. And also there are some advantages like loan facility of up to 50% of the surrender value is available, and rebates on premiums for a higher sum assured, and optional riders to enhance policy coverage, and guaranteed cash inflows at regular intervals. So these are some of the advantages of this policy. However, there are some disadvantages like no flexibility in this policy term or premium payment term, and your survival benefits are non-deferrable, which may not align with your actual needs. Regular payouts hinder compounding, reducing long-term growth potential. So these are some drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis to help us make a more informed decision. But if you do want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So here we are going to calculate the internal rate of return based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So to calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has chosen this policy with a sum assured of 10 lakh. The policy term is 20 years with a premium paying term of 10 years and an annual premium of 69,640 rupees. So the survival benefit paid at the end of the 5th, 10th and 15th year, which is 200% of your annualized premium, is equal to 1.39 lakhs each time. So your maturity benefit will be accrued guaranteed addition, which is 6% of the annualized premium, amounting to 6.65 lakhs at the end of the policy term. So IRR for this cash flow is 4.04% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So the IRR analysis here shows that this plan locks your money for the long term while delivering only minimal returns. With an IRR of just 4.04%, this plan falls far short of helping you meet your actual financial goals. So this policy suffers from two major drawbacks. One, poor investment returns. Another one is inadequate life cover. So due to the combined insurance and investment structure, this plan fails to meet your needs. So here we are going to do a comparative analysis where we are going to use a more effective strategy, which is to separately invest in insurance and investment, ensuring both higher returns and greater flexibility, for which we are going to use the same premium we used to invest in SUD policy, but just split it for investing in insurance and investment separately. So for life cover purpose, we are going to invest in a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakh, which costs us 8,800 rupees annually with a 20-year policy term and a premium payment duration of 10 years. So this leaves us with 60,840 rupees per year for 10 years, which is available for investment based on your risk appetite. So here we assume the savings are invested in the equity mutual fund scheme. So to make the comparison fair, withdrawals are made from the mutual fund investment to replicate the survival benefits of the guaranteed money back plan. At the end of 20 years, the remaining units are redeemed with long-term capital gains taxed only at final redemption, considering the annual LTCG exemption of 1.25 lakh. So the IRR for the combination of term insurance plus equity mutual fund is 10.23%, which is the post-tax return, whereas the IRR for this policy is 4.04%. So if you want to know how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, we do have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference. So choosing the guaranteed money-back plan locks you into low returns and rigid payout structures while offering insufficient life cover. In contrast, combining a pure term policy with equity mutual fund investments delivers higher returns, tax efficiency, and flexibility to withdraw based on actual needs. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SUD Life Guaranteed Money Back Plan worth it or not? So, this policy is designed to provide periodic liquidity along with life cover. However, it falls short on both fronts, delivering below average returns and inadequate insurance coverage, making it incapable of meeting your family's true financial needs. The survival benefits are paid at fixed intervals, but these often don't align with real life requirements, leading either to unnecessary spending or failing to provide support during emergencies, and it also has a high agent commission. Ultimately, this policy offers a little value as an insurance and an investment product. First, secure a pure term life insurance policy, which is affordable premiums giving you higher coverage, ensuring your family's protection. Next, based on your financial goals, time horizon, and risk profile, build a diversified investment portfolio that grows meaningfully over time.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.